In this video tutorial we're going to look at a query by Hassan. His query was how to make labels, and we're going to specifically look at the November 2012 question paper. So we already have our labels query set up, okay, and what we want to do is create labels for this. Now the common mistake students make is they may have the table selected. Now when you start creating the labels when the table is selected, you will make the mistake of doing labels for the whole database. So you know you've made the mistake either when you finish your labels and you notice that you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pages of labels, or some students realise this when they print them out. So in order to avoid this mistake, just going to make sure that the labels query that you just completed is selected, and now you go to labels. So now the question paper will normally ask you to do 2 columns across. So here you have your options, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1. Just always pick the first one. Click next. This allows you to change the appearance of the labels, and this is where you want to import your fields. Now in the question paper it does ask you to put headings in on the label. Now you can do this 2 ways. The easiest way is to do it here first. So I'm going to put the name of my heading first, which is country. And just like that. And semicolon, space. And now I'm just going to click the arrow and the country field will appear there. And press enter. The heading for this will be region. Semicolon, and then I'm going to click on the arrow to the next field. And the last one, I'm just going to put imports, exports, and that's the last field. Okay, so here I've written the headings and included the fields. And then click next. You can sort the fields here as well. Click next. And I'm going to give my labels a simple title called labels. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click finish, and you notice straight away that I have the name of the field and the data, okay, which accompanies that field, country, region, import, exports, and you notice that there's only 2 pages. Another common mistake students make is when you close print preview and you modify your report. So say I'm just going to put a title on this, you just simply highlight any part of the boxes, you'll select it. You use labels to use a title. So I'm going to title here. I normally like to put a box in my label to make it look like it is a label. So the way you do this, you go down and find a rectangle, which is here, and just draw a nice box surrounding the label there. And straight away it will cover it all, so you just right click, go to position and center back, and we'll see if we go into report view, you can see that the box and the title appears. And you're thinking, why does it not have 2 columns going across? Just be careful, because it will work. If you go to print preview, that's what it will actually look like when it's printed out. So you can see it's 2 columns across, and that's how you make reports.